Let me guess, it's fogging up, isn't it? Bonafide Hustler here. E-money there. And today we're gonna hit up garage sales in spite of rain. We're gonna check out to see if we can find any awesome steals and deals. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of E-Money's spaceship. E-Money!
Yeah.
I just started the video without you.
Yeah. What's up, guys? E-Money here.
You're a dork. Dude, you're a dork. What the hell's wrong with this guy? Yeah, so it's gonna rain today, but a lot of the rain comes at 10 o'clock. It's 7 in the morning, and I do have a little cheddar cheat sheet in my phone. We'll see if we can find some good deals today, and we want to take you guys with us, so hit the like button early, alright? Promise me that much. And make sure you're subscribed. So let's go to the first garage sale, which is about 20 minutes down the road. So let's go do that. I see the sign, look at it. It's right there on that pole. It says go here. It says go here if you want deals and steals. Deals and steals. Steals and deals. Oh, there it is. I don't know. It looks really bad actually, but we'll see. All right, we're gonna see what's at this garage sale. I don't predict anything really good, but it's also the very first one of the morning. All right, we didn't find anything there, so off to the next garage sale we go. All right, next garage sale is somewhere around this crazy neighborhood. Look at these houses, guys. I call this super neighborhood, super modern neighborhood. Look at these houses.
Looks like a Hollywood set.
I know, doesn't it? They're crazy looking, these houses. Oh, they're all different and like really crazy.
It's so weird. It's almost like a childish Duplo set. Whoa, check out the view.
Yeah, the view is awesome too. Oh, this looks good.
This looks so good.
All right, we spent a little bit too much time there, but I came out with a really interesting kind of, not a bullhorn, but a horn for a car. Looks like a vintage style horn, so pretty cool. Don't know what I'm gonna get on that, but probably, I don't know, 40, 50 in the booth maybe. Dude, this day is coming around strong, like a Conor McGregor punch, but we are gonna find this neighborhood. But there's a neighborhood we're at garage sale here, and there's sunlight, no rain, blind melon style. Okay. But there is rain coming, which sucks. All right, there's one there already. I don't know if that's just some random place. I wouldn't just follow that. Go to the houses. Look down all these streets and stuff. First visual on the garage sale, we see one right here. We don't know if we're gonna stop at it. Oh, there's a bike. Oh, we have to stop at this. We see cornhole set. Oh, we see Austinites. Done. We're stopping. That bike, sick. 50 or less. Let's go. All right, we bought the bike. Boom. 15 bucks. I don't know. It needs a tube in the back. It's not exactly the easiest repair because it's got a Sturmy Archer hub in the back and needs a tube in the back too, which is like not an easy repair. So
guess what?
What?
Attention! Attention! Bonafide is in the hole. You made a bad deal.
No
bad
way.
deal.
No way. This one should sell once the tube's put in and everything. It should sell for around. I would say about 120 or so. That's what I'm thinking so far. So we'll see. Next garage sale, we're gonna pass that one by. It doesn't look that good. There's one here. This one looks interesting. Park right there. Tough call on this one. This garage sale, we're gonna pass this one. We see one right here, but it doesn't look that good. Let's look at this one. We've got one in the distance right here. It's good. Maybe some antiques. Huh? Let's just make sure. We're gonna check it out. All right, we're looking at this garage sale, so we didn't find anything in that last one, but what we got here? Exactly. All right, we're looking. Here we go. Passing up a lot of the garage sales, but it was our best bet this morning was to come to this place. So
that was your hunch.
That's the hunch. All right, next garage sale is right down there. Can't really see very much from right here. What are you doing?
You can't get out over there.
Oh my god. All right, we're gonna go to this garage sale, and we'll just take what we can get. I mean, there's evidence of water on the ground, so it has rain here. So boom, we just rescued the day a little bit. Let's see what we got here. We got a Bob stroller. Oh snap! Revolution SE, like the best one. There it is, paid 20 bucks for that thing. I'm gonna hose it off when we get home, and then it'll be a local sale, probably around 150, 170-ish, something like that. Really, really good condition. So yeah, just got some garage dust on it, but it's good. Man, a couple more garage sales could be like that, we'll be all good. Well, actually, we're technically, between the two of us, we're at TLP already, so that's good. TLP!
Dude, I'm getting eaten alive.
Dude.
God.
Did we save it?
Yeah.
Save the day a little bit, that's good. Dude, Bob strollers are like even more gold. Well, they're about as gold as vintage video games, I would say. They go so fast. Everyone wants a Bob stroller, everybody. Have you ever had a Bob stroller last like longer than a week? Ever? Once?
Because I was busy.
How many of you flipped? 20, 30, something like that?
Oh, probably about 10-ish.
You flipped 10 yourself? Okay, I've done a fair amount.
I know you've done.
Man, I've done a lot of those things. All right, next garage sale is back there. You can't really see it because there's some bushes and stuff. They got a BMW adventure bike just sitting in the driveway, like part of the garage sale, I think. Anyways, I'm not gonna buy that, but there's a lot of stuff here. I can't really tell. You can't see it, but there's a lot going on behind those bushes. Let's see what we can find. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find something here. E-Money, you found something. What'd you get, man? How much you spend, first of all?
$5.
$5. What'd you get?
A clear Nerf Vulcan with ammo belts and the drums.
Did you get a tripod?
There's no tripod, but I have an extra tripod at home.
Yeah, but it's not clear.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No,
that's clear. It's pretty awesome to find though. $5?
$5.
That's pretty sick.
Local sale.
Local sale, probably 40, 50?
I'm gonna ask 50.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's a good looking gun.
I like that.
Wow. All right, this is officially our last garage sale. We haven't seen many today, and there's just not many going on today. But you know, feel thankful that we found a stroller. Yes. But there's one more garage sale that's sitting right here, and then we're really close to Taco Deli. So that's where we're gonna be eating and chowing down today. This might be a drive-by. This is Austinite. We're stopping here. Yeah, we're stopping here. All right, so yeah, you know, we're gonna end the video here. It's a very short ride along, but I still wanted to film it. Make sure you hit the like button down below. I think we found some okay stuff for a day where it's kind of starting to rain right now. You can barely see it, but it is raining.
For about 2 hours.
We did 2 hours today, so it wasn't that bad. We found some cool stuff, and we'll see you on the next Bonafide Ride Along. Take it easy. Goodbye.